These cycling POV videos are absolutely blowing up on Instagram right now. This page has already reached over 2 million followers, and one of their videos hit an insane 24 million views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos completely by yourself, step by step. And the craziest part is, I made this one in just 2 minutes. Let me show you the full workflow. First, open ChatGPT. Then go to Explore GPTs and type Cycling POV Generator. After that, click Start Generator and it will instantly give you 10 different video ideas to choose from. For this example, I'm going with the 5th one. Then it will generate an image prompt and a video prompt for us automatically, which makes the whole process super easy. Now open Google Flow and click New Project. Then copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT. Here, choose Image, set it to 9:16, 1x, and Nano Banana 2. Paste the prompt right here. And just look at how realistic this came out. Now just click Add to Prompt. Next, copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it right here. Then choose Video, Frames, 9:16, 1x, and VO 3.1 Fast. After that, just hit Generate and wait a few seconds. And that's literally it. The whole process is insanely simple. These are some other videos I created using this exact method. And as you can see, they look perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So yeah, that's the full workflow from start to finish. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next viral AI niche.